CompTIA A Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.6. Given a scenario, deploy and configure multifunction devices, printers, and settings. Printer sharing and networking. Let's face it, in a world where space is limited and budgets are tight, it's just not practical for every device to have its own printer. Can you imagine a scenario where every computer, tablet, or smartphone in your office or home had its own dedicated printer? It would be like a printing apocalypse, with paper jams and ink cartridges running amok at every turn. Thankfully, that's where the magic of printer sharing and networking comes into play. By setting up a printer to be shared or networked, you can transform a single printer into a communal hub accessible to all. It's the ultimate solution for conserving resources, reducing clutter, and fostering a sense of unity among devices. But how does it work? Well, there are a couple of ways we can go about this. First, I will discuss printer sharing, which is used for locally connected printers. This option is like hosting an intimate gathering among close friends in your own living room. Just as you might gather around a karaoke machine to belt out your favorite tunes, devices in your local area network can gather around a shared printer to fulfill their printing needs. With a few simple configurations, you can designate one computer as the host. Then, connecting the printer to it through a local connection like USB or Bluetooth, you can share its printing capabilities with other devices that also reside on the local area network. And let's not forget about print servers. These dedicated devices take the sharing burden away from host devices, managing print jobs and ensuring smooth operations for all connected devices. Think of them as the guardians of printing efficiency, ensuring that every print job gets its moment in the spotlight without causing chaos or confusion. Now, let's take the printing party to the next level by exploring printers that are directly connected to a network via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Just like adding a DJ booth to your karaoke party, these network-connected printers bring a whole new level of convenience and accessibility to the printing experience. Imagine a scenario where your printer is no longer tethered to a single computer, but instead sits gracefully on your network, ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. With Ethernet or Wi-Fi connectivity, these printers become like digital beacons, broadcasting their printing prowess to all devices within range. Setting up a network-connected printer is like giving it a VIP pass to the digital dance floor. Whether it's through a wired Ethernet connection or the magic of Wi-Fi, these printers seamlessly integrate into your network, allowing multiple devices to access them directly. All right, we've covered how printer sharing and networking allows for incoming print requests to reach the printer. But what happens in reverse? When it comes to sending scanned content out into the world, scanners offer a multitude of network scan services for connectivity and distribution. Take, for instance, the well-known email service, a staple of modern communication. With just a few clicks, scanned documents can be attached to an email and dispatched to recipients near and far, ensuring swift delivery and seamless collaboration. But email is just the beginning. For organizations that rely on centralized file storage, the Server Message Block Networking Protocol, or SMB, comes into play. By scanning documents directly to a shared folder using the SMB protocol, users can ensure that important files are accessible to everyone who needs them without the hassle of manual file transfers or email attachments. And then there's the cloud. With scanners equipped to upload documents directly to cloud storage services like Dropbox, Google Drive, or Microsoft OneDrive, the possibilities are endless. Scanned documents become instantly accessible from any device with an internet connection, empowering users to collaborate and share information with ease, regardless of their physical location. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.